Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Criminal Suspect Profile Generator using the OSINT techniques. The project introduced a criminal profile generator that utilized the OSINT technique to address the rising threat of cybercrimes. In response to criminals exploiting the internet for gathering the information and attack, the use of open source intelligence has become increasingly important. This project focuses on developing a system that scans publicly available dataset to identify and create a profile of potential criminals. By leveraging the OSINT system, aim to provide valuable insight for cybersecurity and enforcement, enabling the more effective measure to combat cybercrimes. The objective of this project is to create a profile generator that utilizes the open source intelligent techniques. The system's objective is to scan publicly accessible OSINT data and extract the relevant information about suspect or criminals, including their mail address, IP address, and associated website. By analyzing this gathered data, the system can generate comprehensive profiles of the criminals. These profiles serve multiple purposes such as altering the potential victims, identifying the pattern or trend, and enabling the proactive measure to prevent the cyber attacks and safeguard the individuals and organization from potential threat. These are the basic requirements that needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement Python IDEL with version of 3.7. These are the modules that developer to build this project. The first module is Initialize OSINT Public Data. In this module, the system initializes the OSINT public data that will be used for scanning and building the criminal profile. The second module is Read and Show the tool raw JSON data. In this module, the system reads and retrieves the raw JSON data from the OSINT publicly available dataset. The JSON format allows for organizing the storage of information about suspects or criminals, including their email IDs, contact numbers, and business details. The system then displays the extracted data for further analysis and processing. The third module is Scan All Suspects and Build Profile. This module involves scanning the gathered data from the OSINT dataset to identify the potential suspect or criminals. The system applies specific algorithm and technique to analyze the information and build the comprehensive profile for each individual. These profiles include crucial details such as criminal email, IP address, and the website that have targeted for the attack and the data theft. And the fourth module is Suspect Profile by IP Scan. In this module, the system focuses on scanning and analyzing the digital footprints of suspects or criminals based on their IP address. By leveraging the gathered information, the system can identify any connections, patterns, or suspicious activities associated with these IP addresses. This allows for a deeper understanding of the suspect's behavior and potential involvement in cybercrimes. And the fifth module is Suspect Profile by Email Spam. This module concentrates on scanning and examining the suspect profile based on their email address. By utilizing the collected data, the system can uncover the additional insights about the suspect activity, communications, or any indications of malicious intent. It allows for a more comprehensive understanding of the involvement in criminal activities. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files, and the first one is public data file consisting of the dataset and the suspect dataset. And the second one OSINT and the test or the Python file, and this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we used the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. To execute the project, double-click on run.bat file. This is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Initialize OSINT Public Data button. By this, the OSINT public tool is initialized, and click on Read and Show Tool raw JSON data. By this, we can see the raw JSON data and reading all the form. And click on Scan All Suspect and Build Profile File button. Here, in this way, all the suspects are shown and building their profile as of suspect ID, suspect email, steal data from domain name, attack data, page account ID, fabricated, is page verified, is page retrieved, is page spam as of this. And take any one of these details and click on suspect profile by IP scan. For this, we need to select any one of the IP address, and I'm taking one of the IP address. And selecting and entering this IP address and click on OK button. Here, by the IP address, we get this suspect profile as of this. And also we can apply this scanning by applying the email too. For this, I am selecting this email address and click on suspect profile by email scan and select any one of the suspect email address, and I am selecting this and click on OK button. Here we get the suspect IP, suspect email and suspect all details by getting only the email. And this way we can suspect the profile by using the OSINT techniques. In conclusion, the suspect profile generator utilizing the OSINT techniques provides a valuable tool for identifying and profiling the potential criminals or suspects. By scanning publicly available information, the system can gather crucial data such as email address and IP address, allowing for the creation of detailed profiles. This information can be used to enhance cybersecurity measures, alert potential victims, and aid in the prevention and investigation of cybercrimes, ultimately contributing to a safer digital environment.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.